Hello students, today I will start a new chapter, that is the preamble and the salient features of the Indian Constitution. So all of you must be knowing that every country has a constitution, and similarly India, we have a constitution. As you know that Indian Constitution is a written one. It is partly rigid and partly flexible. All these things you are aware of now, because I have already discussed these things with you in the chapter when I was discussing about the forms of government, the parliamentary and the presidential form of government. Anyway, so every country has a constitution, especially a democratic country must have a constitution. Now, in the constitution, the first thing that we will discuss is the preamble. What is the preamble? The preamble is the preface to the constitution. As before, in every book you will see that the first page is meant for the preface. Preface means that whatever is mentioned in the book, in a nutshell, it is mentioned in the preface. Similarly, the preamble is known as the preface to the constitution, because what is our constitution, the objectives, the principles, everything is in a brief mentioned in the constitution. Our constitution starts with, we the people of India having solemnly resolved India to constitute India's sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. So today we will discuss about the terminologies that has been used in the preamble. Like, we the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Then in the constitution it has been spoken about justice, three types of justice: social justice, economic justice and the political justice. Then liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among it all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. And in our Constituent Assembly, the 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt an act and give to ourselves this constitution. Later on, the words socialist, secular and integrity were initially not added in the original constitution, that is in the preamble, and were added to it by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. The words socialist, secular and integrity, these three words were added later on, that is in 1976, according to the 42nd Amendment Act. Now we will discuss first of all these short words. That means sovereign. Now, being student of class 11 and we are doing the chapters of class 12, so by now you all must have understood about this term.